Hi, my name is Sophia from Panolette, and in this video I will walk you through on how to place an order on our online store. First, pick a product from the furniture category that you are looking for. Select the design collection that you wish to purchase. For this video, we will select the Casona kitchen design series. In the product page, you will be shown the base price of the product, as well as the monthly installment price when payment is made through Hula. Now, we will move on to select if you need a base or top cabinet. We have made ordering easy as we understand that some customers are only looking to replace either one of the cabinet. I will proceed to order only the top cabinet. You have the flexibility of choosing your own choice of high-pressure laminate colors for your cabinet. To view the available colors, click to see the catalogs from our suppliers. Copy and paste the model numbers in the text box. You may refer to Panolette Style Guide for color inspirations or enter DR to get a recommendation from our designers. Next, choose the internal PVC color for the cabinet. From the drop-down list, you need to select an option by choosing the color and your kitchen ceiling height. Go on to select if you require the standard Excel brand hinges or drawer tracks or premium bloom accessories for heavy usage. If you are looking to purchase the base cabinet, you will need to select your preferred color of the quartz worktop and enter the model number. For this case, we will leave it empty as we are just placing an order for a top cabinet. We do encourage customers to provide a floor plan of your home when placing an order, as the standard 10 feet length may not fit in the allocated space in your kitchen. Check through your selections before adding to cart. You may also wish to purchase additional items like cabinet cement base, LED light fitting or plumbing work if needed. Now, let's add to cart and move on to checkout. In your cart area, you will see a summary of your added products. Also, be sure to click on any discount coupons available during our sale or promotion coupons you have received from Panolette. If your purchase is over $500, delivery and installation is free of charge. Select the purple button for quick checkout if you are using a credit or debit card. To view other available options, select Proceed to Checkout. Enter your contact details and address for the cabinet to be delivered to and installed. The final step will be selecting the form of payments. We accept payments from PayNow, credit and debit cards or installment plan through Hula. Read and agree on our terms and conditions checkbox, hit the Place Order button, and that's it. You have placed an order on Panolette. You will receive an email notification of your order. A sales executive will be contacting you via email or phone to finalize your orders and specifications. And in less than 14 days, you will have your brand new Casona kitchen cabinet delivered and installed. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, do get in touch with us via live chat, email or by calling us. Once again, I am Sophia and I look forward to your happy shopping experience at Panolette. Visit us at panolette.com.sg.